Hello and welcome to MMI. In this series of tutorial videos, we'd like to show you the basics of the MMI CellCut and how to get good results for further research. The MMI CellCut is our laser microdissection system designed to cut tissues, large regions of interest or single cells, and even living cells for further processing. With its high-pulse UV laser for precise cutting and the patented CapLift technology for reliable tissue and cell isolation, it will help you with all your laser microdissection needs. In this video, we show you how to document your results and workflow, save images and make videos. It will also show you how you can automatically document your workflow. There's multiple ways to save your image in CellTools. The first thing would be to copy it to the clipboard. Click on the Copy to Clipboard button and the image is automatically copied to your Windows clipboard and can be pasted to other programs like PowerPoint or a graphic editing program, for example. Keep in mind that this is saving the actual picture you're seeing. You can also use the Save Image button. Here you got the options to also save drawings. So if you draw any shapes or do any measurements, they will be also saved into the image. Click on the button and a window will open asking you where to store the file with which name. You can also record movies. Therefore, you just have to click on the Start Recording button and the movie will automatically be recorded. Now you can go on with your experiments and CellTools will automatically make a movie of what you're doing. Once you're done, just click the Stop button. The movie will automatically be saved on your hard drive. Additionally, CellTools will also open your standard movie player and start playing the movie, so you can control what you've recorded. The third button next to the Start and Stop Recording button also lets you change the options for your videos. Sometimes it might be useful to automatically take a picture before and after cutting. Therefore, we have the auto documentation function. You find it on the right side. Click on Activate, choose your image format and select if you want to make a picture before and after dissection. Then you can perform your dissection as usual. Just draw a shape and click on Cut. If you now click on the folder item, CellTools will automatically open the folder where your images are stored. They are sorted in subfolders with date and time. Here you will find both of your images, the one before and the one after cutting. You will also find a report file in that folder. This is very useful because it contains a summary with the setup, the objective, the cut power, cut speed and all the other important parameters. And also the two pictures. This is perfect for your lab book and further documentation. One final remarks to your settings. You might want to save your settings like cut velocity, laser focus and laser power. The good thing is CellTools does this automatically. All these settings are saved in a file connected to your Windows user account, so you never have to worry about these settings. If you are working with multiple users on the same system, we recommend to create multiple user accounts in Windows and use these for your work, so all your settings are saved. We hope this video helped you with working with the MMI CellCut. Feel free to visit our other videos for more information about MMI instruments and handling.